Welcome you all for today's session. Thank you so much to be with me. Please listen to the video till the end of it. Before I start, let me ask you one simple question. How many of you think that trading is nothing but gambling? Please write down your opinion, yes or no. Type your opinion on the comment section. Thanks again. Honestly, it took a lot of time for me to understand my own DNA. I am okay with that. It's better late than never. I will be glad if this session does help you to discover your own DNA. Please consider today's session as a guideline to reveal what exactly you are. Do you consider yourself as trader or you behave like a gambler? First, I will discuss what trading is all about. I will try to clarify few aspects to understand if someone should avoid trading, or one can seriously think about trading as a professional career to pursue. Can we build a stable business by trading in the stock market? Before we conclude as yes or no, let us analyze the common behavioral pattern for human being. Yes, I am talking about the human traits. Let me highlight some of them. Belongingness. Human being cares for the relationship building, protective on what they is their own. Community. We love the group we belong to. Curiosity. We want to know more than what we know already. Family. We all prioritize family requirements. Intelligence. Human being unarguably is more intelligent than any other living being. Creative. We always try to find new way to lead life, do things differently. Ambition. We have a strong desire to achieve something, and more. These are some of the common traits. We can list many such human qualities. Some may have stronger presence of any particular trait, some have less. But if I tell, trading is the most common human trait, how will you take that statement? Do you agree? Agree or not, when we talk about any aspect of life, it is nothing but business. And in business, nothing comes free. Underlying truth of any behavioral pattern is that it looks for return. Return may not be always in the form of money. It can be fame, importance, or something else. Even parents' care towards kids exhibits the trait for love and belongingness. So, we can tell now convincingly. Trading is the activity that looks for return. Trading is done in search of good return through investment. And trading is a very common human trait. Now let us shift our focus to gambling. Gambling goes hand in hand with the history of humanity. Different games to gamble are found in almost every culture throughout history. This is also a common human trait. Integral part of human genealogy. Like trading, gambling is also done in search of return. But difference is, gambling is done to gain non-proportional return. It takes blind risk on the investment. It is simply guided by greed and hope for uncertain event to go in favor. It does not have any science to analyze whether odds are in favor or not. People start gambling for entertainment purpose. It starts to have fun. That is okay. But it's no more fun when you are addicted. Hope you will agree to that. Now, I will take example of some well-known Indian mythological characters. Try to understand their DNA from their behavioral pattern. Try to resonate it with your own behavioral pattern and discover your own DNA. King Yudhisthira was an average human being, always followed what is legal in life. But could not avoid gambling, end result was disastrous. Mama Shakuni was an average villain, scammer, he gambled for wrong reason. It paid nothing to him. Lord Krishna was intelligent, he motivated others to gamble, provided platform for others to play. Actually, he behaved like broker. Prince Abhimanyu was talented, young, had good future prospect. He gambled with hope. He was fully aware that he does not have end-to-end knowledge, but can't avoid to enter into unequal war. Fortune cannot save him. Fortune does not save anybody. I am quite sure you are more or less like one of them. Speak to yourself, discover who you are. I tried to explain so far only one thing. No one can avoid gambling, some way or other. Question is how you can utilize your gambling nature in your favor? How you transform your approach from gambling to trading. Try out and cultivate few things. How can you avoid betting on an event which is highly uncertain in black and white? How can you solidify your defense with proper risk management plan? If you can take care of these, you can transform yourself into a trader. Next, transform yourself from an average trader to a successful trader. In this process, knowing your edge is most important part. Here are some platforms as example. Try to understand who has the edge and why. When I say edge, that means your win probability is more than 50 out of 100. 1. Casino. Casino owners have always higher edge. No player can be consistent winner. 2. Corporate. Employer has higher edge most of the time. 20% of employees with right IQ have some edges to be successful. 3. Consumer market. Edge rotates based on demand and supply. Sometimes sellers have the edge. Sometimes buyers have the edge. But sellers know better how to exploit their edge. 4. Financial market. Government has the edge since they collect tax on every activity. Brokers definitely have the edge as they can earn on both legs, buy and sell. Some investors have the edge, those who follow proper discipline and carry knowledge. Some traders have the edge, those who have right mix of IQ and EQ. So, I think you can understand now the basic difference between trading and gambling. If you can sensibly avoid the gambling mindset, you can build business through trading and stock market. Biggest problem is people come to stock market with the expectation of easy money. Stock marketplace is a place. Easy to participate. Quick to earn. Quicker to lose. But hard to sustain. Most of the traders fail due to lack of formal education on the subject. If you are doing a corporate job, you have a lot of time and money invested for your basic education and professional certificates. In the same way, you need to give time to learn financial basics and thorough knowledge about dynamics of stock market. You will be able to build successful business through trading. Stay positive. That's it for today. Stay tuned for the next session. Here are the references for you to watch previous sessions. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on bell icon to stay notified.